Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's get into some Kaspa discussion. All right, so all you KAS holders out there, appreciate you guys tuning in. And if you are not yet a holder, I hopefully will give you guys a lot of reasons why you will consider looking into Kaspa. It's a crypto that I was buying at 4 or 5 cents. I have since sold it. I'm waiting for a little bit of a push, and today might have been the push that we got. Kind of let me know that we are right where we need to be. We're seeing a lot of the same storylines kind of take place in the crypto market right now with a lot of similar kind of, I don't want to say similar projects, similar coins out there, but the narratives have all been there where there has been a resurgency for a lot of the big players that have been kind of sleeping giants just kind of lurking in the background. And that's why Kaspa, I think, is relevant to talk about today. I'm going to give you guys my thoughts and get you on your way. All right, so please stick with me. Give me a couple minutes of your time. Let's talk about Kaspa in this video. And if you're new to the channel, this is a perfect time to subscribe. If you subscribe, it's more of a follow. It's free to do so. All it does is keep you informed on the day-to-day, what's going on in the markets. All right, and let's get down into it, okay? The big news today, and this is kind of the big news that we have going on. Please remember, though, this is not financial advice. Nothing here that we talk about is. Always do your own research and due diligence, okay? Now, Kraken, all right, this is a big one. This is one of the exchanges based in the United States that is one of the OGs, right? And quite frankly, they have listed, okay, Kaspa within a spot a spot offering, and that will be added to the platform as soon as possible. Okay, we've seen what's happened with meme coins, right? Now, Kaspa is not a meme coin, okay, but what's happened is there's been a lot of fuel added to the fire within this craze that we have in crypto. We've seen it with Dog with Hat, we've seen it with Pepe Coin, okay, getting launched on Coinbase. That's something that will always have an effect on a crypto, okay? And now, right now, as we stand, Kaspa getting the Kraken acknowledgement and going to be listed, that is a huge mover. Now let's dive into the chart, and before we do, if you guys are seeing I'm on X, make sure you give me a follow on X. The handle is in the bottom left of your screen. There also should be a link in the description at tcryptomark. Make sure you guys give me a follow, okay? And this is where we're seeing Kaspa right now on the charts, going up 5 spots, now at 14.64, okay? And this is right about the time that I did sell my Kaspa. So I'm kind of at that break even, kind of wait and see mark, okay? And that's just kind of how I'm playing it. Took my gains, and I'm not exiting. I'm just on the sidelines, okay? But as we look more so into Kaspa, still getting up 35.7% on the last 365 days. We got as high as 19 cents and some change a little bit earlier on. This was way back when. I mean, we're talking July of this year, okay? Now, let's talk about kind of what the implications are, all right? Now, we have seen kind of the community within Kaspa. It's been the same song and dance, right? They've had holdups, they've had holdbacks, and the narratives that are lying, kind of suppressing this Kaspa from enjoying the bull market like we've seen with other cryptos thus far, okay, maybe coming to a conclusion, because Kaspa now on the day up 17%. Can't deny that. 25.1% on the week, all right, as we're currently recording. But the big storyline right now is the perspective and the belief that we are going to have some volatility, but looking ahead, if you do hold Kaspa, I think that you should be rather ambitious. I think that 30 cents or higher is definitely in the cards. Some people are even calling for 50 cents, and that Kaspa one day will be a $100 billion crypto. Okay, right now we're sitting there at 3.68 billion. Now, if we do that by the math, that's a little bit more so than a 25x. That's very, very strong in terms of gains, okay? And if we look at the chart a little bit deeper, I'll pull up the trading view for you guys. This is kind of, hanging out. It's very bullish. We just finally had that green candle, and this is where we've had some positive days. And if you look at kind of how the momentum is showing with my trading indicator, we have just moved above all of the SMAs, all the closing levels there. And now, as we look into kind of this reversal, we can talk about Kaspa 16 and 19 cents. I think that's very, very obtainable. I'm not a wizard. I don't have a crystal ball, but I'm just telling you guys right now, as we look back into basically the October to where we're at right now, 1 year time frame, okay, a little bit over a 1 year time frame, this is very much a more volatile consolidation where we're looking to break out. And I think that what I've always said when I talk about Kaspa, the biggest thing holding them back, yes, me and you can go buy Kaspa on the open market. We know how to do that. Getting the availability for purchasers and prospective investors to buy into Kaspa is key. Okay, and that's kind of what we're looking to gain. I think that this Kraken news is the major headline that we need to ride and kind of piggyback off of this momentum, because I think that there is a glaring opportunity where if Kaspa does get Coinbase, right? Kaspa does get it listed on multiple major tier 1 exchanges. That's when that availability becomes less of a concern and more of a, hey, what is our plan for Kaspa moving forward, okay? Because once all that stuff happens, you can throw price predictions out the window. Kaspa has the technology and they have the community that can really propel them into that next wave, where all we're seeing right now on the chart is basically going to be a flat spot, okay? And that's truly how I feel about it. I think right now this is one of the bargains in crypto, in my personal belief. I do talk about it from time to time, so if you want to know more about Kaspa, make sure you guys all give me a follow, and please subscribe to this channel. It's totally free to do so. And before we let you go, guys, I am going to talk about today my channel sponsor, because this is an exciting opportunity kind of within crypto trading if you guys are looking for another exchange. Now, this is BYDFI, BYDFI, whatever you want to call it, Build Your Dream Finance. It's one of my favorite exchanges to use, but right now we are running, or they are running, but I am an affiliate with them, so this is a way that you can give back to the channel. They are running a promotion where you will obtain a 10% cash back, okay, directly into your account on a deposit up to $10,000. So it is a maximum bonus of $1,000. That's an instant cash. I think it takes 1 week to make sure that there are no net withdrawals, but it's a very, very easy kind of, I don't want to say free money because nothing's free. There is risk with trading crypto, so make sure it's the right decision for you. But who doesn't like free money? Okay, so it's a sign-up bonus, 10% cash back if you do sign up with BYDFI. There is a link down below. We are going to start a community with them where we will be kind of showing you guys what I'm buying, what I'm selling. That's all going to be coming in the future. So make sure you guys all subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss a beat. And if you want to get started trading with BYDFI, make sure you do using my link down below in the description. All right. With that, I'll leave you. Like I said, guys, this is an exciting time to be alive. Hope you guys are all doing well. Enjoy it. Let's celebrate the gains, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.